Hey guys, so if you're looking for the best settings for your Boombox 3, I was looking for that also on Reddit and this is something I found. Indoor bass max, obviously mid full, but leave one space and treble the same as the mids. So this is the first thing that you can try to do. Another thing, like 0.0 for -1, so 0, 0, -1 for indoors and +2, 0 and -1 for outdoors. This is another thing that you can try, or for volume still 40%, I leave it flat. Above that 40 to 60% bass plus mid +1, mid -1, treble 0. Above 16 volume, bass +2, mid -2, treble -1. So this is also like really good settings that you can try too. And I just wanted to make this like really quick video on what are the best settings for you that you can try to do and that will like work for you. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.